How to make the best and healthy almond cookies. No fail recipe for sure. Today, I will guide you through making a thicker version, one batch of delicious almond cookies, which are crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. After perfecting this recipe over 10 years and more than 100 attempts, I can confidently say it's the best one yet. Start by separating the egg whites from the egg yolks. Then whisk 3 small or medium egg whites or 2 large egg whites. With the 4 tablespoons, about 45 grams of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Whisk until you achieve a thick, creamy consistency. Transfer the mixture to a baking pan lined with a reusable baking sheet to prevent sticking. And sprinkle on your desired amount of almond flakes. There is no need to preheat the oven. Simply set it to 130 degrees Celsius with the fan on and bake for 20 minutes. Slice the almond cookies into your desired shapes while they are still warm. For a chewy texture, make sure the batter is thick. One batch will suffice for this recipe. If you prefer a crispier, non-chewy cookie, go for a thinner batter, which can yield up to 3 batches of the lighter version. I love making Assam milk tea in the afternoons, especially when paired with my homemade snacks. If you'd like to learn how to brew a perfect cup of Assam milk tea, just let me know in the comments. Your likes and comments truly mean a lot to me, and I am really grateful for your support. Enjoy your baking, have an amazing weekend, and happy Easter Sunday, everyone.